when you project it, it needs to go through a certain process. उसके contrast levels और saturation levels वगैरह सब आपको देखने पड़ते हैं for different projection because मतलब टीवी की अलग होती है, digital screens की अलग होती है, cinemas की अलग होती है.
सबसे पहले तो आम जनता के लिए आप बताएं कि कलरिस्ट कौन होता है, उसका काम क्या होता है, उसकी ज़रूरत क्यों है?
अब जब फिल्म हम शूट करते हैं तो उसको यूजुअली रॉ पे शूट किया जाता है.
जैसे धुंधले से रंग नजर आ रहे होते हैं.
Give minimum contrast and minimum saturation so that you can preserve most of the information in the camera.
Right.
It's a technical requirement.
Right. Is it somewhat similar to how, say, Reel was developed in a lab or?
Yeah, but that was उसमें आपके पास control बहुत कम होता था.
ठीक.
But some people back then also color tint करते थे. They would actually paint on the reel.
Reel also.
Like paintbrush से paint करते थे for a certain
That's
color.
That's how they've colored those films now,
yeah.
like physical painting.
Physical painting. But it was the manner maybe.
So now it has come to the digital realm now.
Yeah. So it's actually like a technical field, a major technical requirement because when you shoot it and when you project it, it needs to go through a certain process. उसके contrast levels और saturation levels वगैरह सब आपको देखने पड़ते हैं for different projection because मतलब टीवी की अलग होती है, digital screens की अलग होती है, cinemas की अलग होती है. It's a wide array of things. So technically it's this, but there's a lot of creative freedom color grading maybe because like film being a visual medium, आपके पास colors में there's a whole color psychology, a whole color vocabulary that
right. I mean, there's physics, there is psychology, there is painting. I don't know, it's just a very मतलब ये वाकई वो फील है जहाँ पे I can only tell कि अच्छा लग रहा है, सही लग रहा है, उसके beyond ना मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन so ज़िंदगी तमाशा I remember like Khizr, who's my DOP on that, who's very tough to please, and how he was like, who colored it? I was like, well, this new bacha, like she's उस वक्त I think अब तो मैं बाकी है now I've stopped saying fresh grads because I just
old.
realized
कुछ
साल गुजर गए, at least 4-5 साल अब गुजर गए. So but just looking at your Instagram, I can tell that you're someone who just has a unique eye for things and a unique way that you play with colors. And for the lack of a better description, you restrict yourself first and then you add things. Like it's not like, oh, I start with additions. It's almost like you start with subtractions.
Yeah.
So your process as a colorist, like how, I mean, कैसी नजर आती है तस्वीरें, मतलब रंग कहाँ से नजर आते हैं?
I think obviously वो like a cinematographer जिसे वो देखते हैं, it's the inspirations are from real things that you see and also when you read तो एक certain you start forming a color in your palette कि I mean वही बात है descriptive. If you read something, if it's cold or something, you start making an image in your head, and even if you're not aware of it, that image has a certain color palette and tones. So and the amount of control that you now have over a footage, तो आप तो बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं ना कि you can go full, you can flip it over, literally.
Right. You can change it to do anything.
Yeah, but I mean, it takes, my like guiding factor is the story. And you obviously need really good footage to be able to execute what you want. So for Kamli, we had an exceptional footage to work on. I had an exceptional footage to work on with really consistent lighting and everything. And hence, I was able to employ the direction I had to give to the field, which was directed by the story.
In fact, I remember, like, clarity-wise, when you made initial palettes, so they were not too many. I just remember that because I think you've been part of the journey from page to production to now, So, अब उन लोगों के लिए भी जो इस टेक्निकल चीज़ को जानना चाहते हैं और वो लोग भी जो इसके बारे में बहुत नहीं जानते. So, what is the palette of
Kamli?
Kamli.
Okay, that's a very good question.
Because there's a story that you have told with it. And I want you to tell the story like you told me the story.
मतलब obviously वो इतने drastic नहीं है for somebody to say कि वो एकदम से mood change हो जाता फिल्म का, वो नहीं है, because you have to be aware कि it needs to seem seamless. It can't be that
And if I may interject, I want to begin with just to stay away from teals.
Just
to stay away from the oranges.
Yes.
So it begins there. वही जो मैं कह रहा था ना कि you restrict yourself first. So
वो वही बात है, with the amount of control you have, everybody is inclined to अच्छा Hollywood look है, teal or orange है, या थोड़ा सा fading like you kick up the shadows, grays में ले जाते हैं, सब ये सब रहते हैं. I think I'm beyond वो, because I've experimented so much with these things, and like I said, मैं अवैस को भी बात बोलती थी कि frame प्यारा बनाना is not my objective. It's not. If I have to darken it down, if I have to, do it for the story, I will do it. So hence, a lot of the color paletting is incorporated with Hina's psychology. शुरू में, like the house is in warmer tones. And that's not just color, that's also extras. Costumes where abhi zarde wale
scene paletting begins there, right? With your props, with costume, with makeup.
Yes. So since I was fortunate enough to be the AD as well and the colorist, I knew I was going to grade it. So I made sure कि मुझे जो चीजें मैं post में करना चाह रही हूँ, I have that over there as well. So the home is being a safe haven for her in the beginning. It's warm, it's cozy, and the forest is initially cold towards the colder side. The greens are a bit desaturated and bluish, and you see white. You don't see the sun as being something warm. You see those white highlights, which you see in winters. And as the story moves forward, it flips over. The house becomes the cold, desaturated, thing for her.
Which I was like, ये लोगों को लगा कि हमसे गलती हो गई है. If they don't pick on it, what if they think कि हमने एक inconsistent grade किया है? But no, like, when I saw it on the big screen and how it mattered. It mattered so much what you did with it.
I hope it does. And जो ज़ीनत के वो वाला था, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा, because there were so many psychological layers to the characters over there. There's one little layer added through the grade as well. There's green and magenta and fluorine there, because that makes you it makes you sick. I mean, these are colors associated with being sick.
Sickness,
yeah.
So, or not pleasant.
Not pleasant, yeah. You don't like seeing these colors, or वो एक अजीब सी uncomfortable सी feeling आती है. तो थोड़ा ये channel करके, and the progression of the colors through the film.
Right.
That's pretty much it. And in the end, जो आखिरी sequence हमारा, उसमें like you see black mostly, and there's just Sakina wearing an orange dress, and everything else is black. Hina's clothes are black. You मतलब obviously post में during the shoot. I was very clear कि नहीं, ये orange dress हमने save करना है for the last scene.
No, honestly, if you weren't there from the beginning, I mean, beyond the script, I would have never made her wear blue for the water sequence. I would have never made her wear that that light green for Kash. I was like, नहीं भाई, पत्ते में मिल जाएगी लड़की, पानी में मिल जाएगी लड़की. What do we do? But I think it was just that leap of faith that I took, just standing behind you. I was like, ठीक है, जो कर रही सही कर रही.
Yeah, I mean,
I'll stick to the decisions she's making.
I don't think people know this about you. I mean, obviously your actors say a lot of these things about you, but giving that breathing space to the crew, to the ADs, and to the DOP to make their creative decisions, I think that's what harbors it. Like, brings
it all needs to work like a nice jigsaw, right?
Yeah, but a lot of senior people don't in the industry, which is.
I just like to believe I'm very young.
Senior in experience, you're very young.
Yes.
You're very young, but senior experience, they don't, and I wish they did, because I mean, you obviously guide them, but you at least let them breathe.
Honestly, I had like proper, like second and third and fourth thoughts about the thing. I was like, okay, itna mute hum kar rahe hain, how would it look? Because एक common वो जो एक rule of thumb यही कहता है, अच्छा भाई दरख्तों में है तो कलर सेपरेट कर दें, पानी में है तो कलर सेपरेट कर दें. But the way I mean how, despite being all that lyrical and fantasy-like in so many places, people still do not disconnect with the reality or the believability of that story. They still stay with her. Like, मुझे किसी ने इतनी क्यूट बात बोली, उन्होंने कहा कि तू कुड़ी ने जॉगर पो आके ते गाना को आता. Yeah, I was like, वो आती है जो उसका कैरेक्टर है, वो जॉगर पहन के जाएगी बेचारी. मैंने कहा मैंने कहा वो तो नहीं अब जंगल में मतलब उसको हम कोई अच्छी वो जैसा टेलीविजन के कुछ वो बन गए हैं ना ट्रोप्स होता है कि अच्छा ये आप लो सोशो इकोनॉमिक क्लास दिखा रहे हैं तो कोल्हापुरी पहनना कोला गुड कोल्हापुरी is a and it's such an impractical footwear.
You can't wear that in that terrain. And also, just what Rekis come and count as well. We saw what the women were wearing. Or wo jo Kash ki jo kali chadar hai, I mean that's still my favorite thing in the South.
I love that too.
I think that makes the wardrobe so believable.
Yeah. हाँ भाई मतलब वही कि जब आप दिमाग लड़ाने की बात करते हैं तो इवन बिगिनिंग विथ ये दुपट्टे बहुत बड़े भी नहीं हो सकते कि अब दुपट्टे ही उड़ रहे हैं you know but no what I want to really say is that when we think that everything requires money and machines and technology, no, it begins with a mind, a thinking mind, and a coloring particularly I feel begins with finding the right artist. And so I won't say happy, I'm grateful what you did to Zindagi Tamasha and now what you did to this was education for me. This was true education, like that how to I remember that one shot, you remember in Zindagi Tamasha this is orange halki tokri. And I was like, us waqt wahi in the whole sort of, when you're directing and when the thing is being staged, you don't register a lot of things. But wo orange tokri jis tarah mere mathe pe bajti thi baar baar aake, because I was like, this orange does not belong in this palette. And how that one wrong prop. And with Kamli, I remember like how the kitchen ke props and everything, we were like, hame dekhna hai pehle, despite Munia being about it, but
in like even Kaval Appa and Iram Appa, I had a discussion with them as well. They brought in great suggestions incorporating the color requirements that we put in.
Oh, and that night, हमने घर को पहली दफा रात में शूट करना शुरू किया था, and Awais and Fatma and my DOP said कि वो walls का color, अच्छा पहला मेरा reaction होता है इतनी रकी की इतनी pre-pro की कैसे बदलेंगे, but then also just that trust कि okay अभी खफा हो जाते हैं अभी लड़ लेते हैं लेकिन this would, and then I also understood and I remember giving like a very tyrannical kind of a deadline, 2 घंटे हैं जो भी कर दो, but it takes that ownership, it takes that commitment to what you are doing, and I repeat, I'm very grateful.
I am grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Fatma.
Thank you.